Here we are in an airplane, traveling towards our great African adventure. This is the Ruaha Airport. Yes, soon those jeeps in the background will take us to the wilderness. We are going to see many wild animals. The road is very bumpy and the ride is quite rough, but we have a very good driver, so we can trust him. Here in this pond you can see hippos swimming, seemingly calm, but they can be very dangerous animals. This is the river bank. The river is dry at this time. This is the picnic site. If you look closely, you can see snake in the nearby tree. Now we are driving, and there you can see two giraffes ahead. Yes, giraffes are very tall and shy animals. And there's the lion, the king of all animals. Now he is resting, but he can be very dangerous. Look how magnificent he is. We are driving through acacia tree forest. It is the middle of the day and the animals are hiding. You cannot see anything. And this is the traditional African hut. We are eating inside the hut. There are some local tribe eating with us. We are eating together. Here in the distance you can see a happy elephant family, a mother with two calves. In the local language they are called Ndovu. Now the mother is taking her puppies back to bushes. Again we are traveling through the forest. We are traveling towards our campsite. This is the campsite. This narrow path leads to the tent. The tent is surrounded by wilderness. We can hear the animals moving around us. And there are the men resting at the veranda having a gin and tonic. It has been a rough but very pleasant day. This is our tent from the inside. Now it's nighttime and the men are sleeping. I am still standing because the animal noises are keeping me alive, awake. And there's our toilet. Okay, good night everybody.